Are you just starting your fitness journey? Choosing the right protein powder can be confusing. Protein powder helps build muscle, recover faster, and gives you more energy after workouts. As a beginner, you don't need the most expensive product. Focus on quality, digestibility, and a clean formula. Number 1. Whey Protein. It's fast absorbing, excellent for building muscle and recovery. Number 2. Plant-based protein. Perfect if you're vegan or lactose intolerant. Number 3. Whey Protein Isolate. Low in carbs and fats, great for lean muscle growth. Number 4. Casein Protein. Slow digesting, best before sleep for overnight recovery. Tip for beginners. Start with just 1 scoop daily, about 20 to 25 grams of protein. Don't overdo it. Always check the label. Choose powders with less sugar, no harmful additives, and easy mixability. For most beginners, whey protein is the safest and most effective option to start with. If you have digestion issues, try plant-based protein or Whey Isolate. For slow release and muscle recovery overnight, Casein Protein works best. Price matters too. Whey concentrate is affordable and beginner-friendly. Pro tip: don't rely only on supplements. Combine protein powder with real food like eggs, chicken, and lentils.